Hi, I'm Matt Ritter with Comedians at Law, and this is the Rant of the Week. In case you missed our podcast or our blogs, I'm here to catch you up. This week's top story involves a double amputee marathon runner. And that's not even the crazy part of the story. Pistorius claims he accidentally shot his girlfriend after firing 4 times through a locked bathroom door, thinking she was an intruder. If there's one thing we know about burglars is that when they break into your house, they usually lock the bathroom door and take a shit, so they can clear their mind before robbing you. One thing we do know for sure is that he had a really, really hot girlfriend, making us even more depressed about having 2 legs. One thing we do know for sure is that if you break into the house of a double amputee who has blades for legs, he's still going to shoot you. And in other news, a blow to people who visit prostitutes. Yep, a Maine court ruled that Johns have no expectation of privacy, and if somebody videotapes you while having sex with a prostitute, sucks for you. The Maine court ruled that places of prostitution and people who frequent them to engage a prostitute are not sanctioned by society and therefore have no reasonable expectation of privacy against surveillance. In other words, next time you visit a prostitute, wear a mask, like the rest of us, you weirdo. I'm Matt Ritter with Comedians at Law, and this was the Rant of the Week. And yes, these are my student loans. And this is Comedians at Law's new mascot, Olive. Say hi, Olive.
Hi, I love Comedians at Law. They're the best. Go see them on tour.